Now, I think I have already given you a very, very long lecture and a speech, as you call it. But some reactions were very good, and some could absorb it very well. But some, they said, were sleeping. Now, these things happen because of negativity. You have to fight your negativity, because negativity is the thing that asks questions. When I'm talking, telling the truth, absolute truth. But it asks questions and it reflects. When it starts reflecting, nothing goes in the head, because you are left with the past sentence and the present you are not with it. So the whole thing boils down to something like an escape. And then you escape and you sleep off. I mean, I tried my level best today to put you onto your conscious mind. You have to be conscious, you have to be alert. And that's the point, is that unless and until you are conscious, you cannot ascend. Any abnormal person cannot ascend. You have to normalize yourself. So many of you had lots of abnormalities, which were brought out and thrown away, and many have been cleansed. But now, if there are some still lingering with it, they must work it out. They cannot just go on justifying it. And the women have another bad habit, is to gossip. They want to gossip. Gossip about this person, criticize that person, is a very bad habit among women, to gossip. I never pay heed to anyone who gossips, and I don't like a person who gossips. So don't gossip about things, cheaply, frivolously talking about others. It's not necessary you should be educated. It's not necessary that you should come from a very well-bred family. Nothing is necessary. As long as you are a Sahaja-yogi, you can be a diamond. But allow yourself to be cut into the diamond. Allow. So the reaction of some people was very good. They absorbed what I said. They took everything inside, but some of them went off to sleep. Now, if those who were struggling at that time may not have understood, it's a difficult subject, I told you it's a very subtle subject, doesn't matter. But those who have been like that should look after themselves, should find out. I found out one thing with the left-sided people: if they can put a candle near their left swadhisthana, a little far, and put one candle before the photograph, and put left hand towards the photograph and right hand on the Mother Earth, it works. And the candle at the back should be kept a little far away, because it makes sounds, it goes this way, that way, it burns.